This is a dollar bill. You can't even buy a pack of gum with it. And in today's video, we're going to try and 3D print something for $1.
This challenge is simple. There are only two rules. The first rule is that the item has to cost $1 or less. And the second rule is that the winner of this challenge will be decided by you guys in the comment section down below.
Coming up with ideas is honestly the hardest part of this whole challenge. But I have a couple ideas. Let me start sketching it out. Nah, that's not really that good. Well, actually, it might just work. My idea is pretty simple. Make a light switch cover for my everyday items. And this is a 3D model. Wait, that's not right. Much better. This is my 3D model. Here's a hook for my earbuds. Here's a stand for my Apple Watch charger. And here's a shelf for my wallet. And I also am printing it in this orientation so that I can save money on supports. Now it's time to see if this is under $1. Thankfully, the print was under $1. And here it is. It came out really good, but now it's time to test it to see if it works. Here's the old light switch. Time to change it out. There's the old one, and here's the new one. Well, the light switch has been added in, and now it's time to test to see if the attachments actually work. The first one is for the wallet. The second one is the hook for the earbuds. And the final one is the charger for the Apple Watch. Let's see if the Apple Watch charges. Well, there you have it. The light switch works. If I were to make some changes to it though, I would probably reinforce the Apple Watch case because it kind of broke when it printed. And then I would also make this a little bit taller when it prints. But I think this is a pretty cool print. So let's see what Pablo's got.
Ever since I got my mic for YouTube, I've had the problem when it comes to organizing them because I don't know how to place them so they don't get lost, but they're still easy to access. When I'm not using them, I've placed my mics here, here, and even here. Well, the last one's kind of just a joke, but that's basically the problem I'm having. After a while of thinking about the problem, I came up with an idea. A stand with an indent for the receiver and two rails on the side that you could clip the mic onto. With the idea in mind, I started designing, and this is what I came up with. It's exactly what I described, but I also added a new feature, which is here, where I removed the back wall of where the receiver would be placed so that I could just have the receiver in there and it could be charging at the same time. After optimizing the strength and slicing it, I managed to get the cost down to 67 cents, well under $1. Now it's time for the moment of truth. I'm really glad with how the stand came out because it fits the aesthetic of my desk with the new desk organizer I designed last video, and all of the features that I wanted it to have came out perfectly.
So there you have it. Those were the items that me and Pablo created. Now it's up to you guys to decide the winner. Let us know in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.